The criticisms of direct realism. Direct realism is a theory of perception which claims that we perceive mind-independent objects making up an external world, which we perceive directly. However, there are many criticisms to this theory.
Criticism 1. Perceptual variation. There are variations in how we perceive things, but the immediate object of our perception's properties do not actually change. Therefore, the properties that these objects have and the properties that they appear to have must be different. Therefore, what we are immediately aware of in our perception is not the same thing as mind-independent objects. Therefore, we cannot perceive objects directly. An example is how the same object may look two different sizes depending on the perspective.
Criticism 2. Illusions. In illusions, we are not seeing physical objects as they actually are. Illusions can be subjectively indistinguishable from our vertical perception. Therefore, we must be seeing the same thing in illusions and vertical perception, which can be referred to as sense data. Therefore, it can be said that we are viewing sense data in all cases, not physical objects. For example, a pencil in water will appear to be crooked, but the pencil is not actually crooked. However, there is nothing about illusions which makes them different to our normal perception, so illusions and vertical perception must be the same thing.
Criticism 3. Hallucinations. Like illusions, hallucinations are subjectively indistinguishable from reality. Therefore, we must be seeing sense data in both hallucinations and vertical perception. Therefore, in all cases, we must be seeing sense data. We may experience hallucinations from a lack of sleep, illness, or drugs. For example, a lack of sleep may cause hallucinations.
Criticism 4. Time lag argument. It can take time for light waves, sound waves, and smells to reach our sense organs from physical objects. We can perceive something after it ceases to exist. Therefore, we cannot be perceiving physical objects directly. For example, if the sun were to explode, it would take 8 minutes to realize while standing on Earth. Also, most of the stars we see in the sky do not appear how they actually are. Many of them may no longer exist. In both cases, the light is taking time to reach us, so we are not perceiving the sun or the stars directly.